Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in Nifty Index futures and options today. So let us start by seeing where the market is going to open today. For that, we need to look into the SGX Nifty Index. So yesterday the price closed here around 11,120 in our NSE NSE exchange. So after that, what are the price action happened in the SGX? You could see the market had recovered, and now it had tested 11,200 again now, and now it's trading around 11,174, and we are recording this video much earlier. So within this one and a half hour time, anything can happen. So there may be minor changes in the price opening, not a great changes in the price opening. So the thing is, it's going to open a little bit higher compared to the yesterday's closing. So maybe we can take, it's going to open somewhere near the average. This is the average trading session high, yesterday's trading session high. It is going to open above that, and I had adjusted the trend lines or trend channels. So two trends are prevailing. One, if we want to stay along the buying side, because the price closing is higher than the yesterday's opening. It is more or less equal to the previous day, that is Friday's price closing, and it's opening above 11,160. All these gives the hint that the market is on the bullish side, but 11,200, it's a very big resistance. Yesterday the price came down like a missile after opening around 11,200, because many of them would have sold the call options at this price. So 11,200 would be the resistance. So if the price is going to, if there is more resistance, the price would not come and test it again, and it will not open near that. So something is on the bottom which is pushing the price higher. So what we can do today we can go for buying. For if you are trading in index futures, you need to go for buying till this blue line. So whenever the price till, if you are buying at 11,160, you need to wait and see if the price is crossing this blue line. You need to place 10 point below this, and you can place a stop here. Or even if you have sufficient funds, you need to go till this red line, place stop loss somewhere below, expecting the price to move down, because it's quite clear that you could see this red line is maintaining some sort of support here, that can act as a support and push the price if at all the price drops like yesterday. And there are more chances that the price can move up. The first hint is the price will maintain this violet line as a support. It will move above this, and somewhere it will be trading within this range, and that gives you some support to break 11,200, and price can be pushed higher. So it's a very close day to watch, and we are approaching monthly expiry. That is another big news. How we are going to put that in the options contract? Let's see the option chain, and today 11,150 or 11,200, there are chances both these things will be in the at the money option. As usual, we are expecting the price to drop. Even though we have a decent price opening, you can expect the price to drop. So you can select 11,250 strike, which closed around 41.25 yesterday. So maybe the average high for yesterday is 56 or somewhere here. You can take it, the price can open somewhere near 56 or just above near 60. So you can go for buying by placing stop at 40, which is the average low, yesterday's low. If you see the Nifty index, the yesterday's low was somewhere here 11,100, which means that it can give you protection till this zone if the price is price needs to break this 11,100 to hit your stop. So a lot of buffer here. If at all the price can move and break break this 11,260, surely you will be getting 11,260. That can give you some sort of reward also. So this will be a very safe strike. You can choose 11,250, or what you can do, you can select a put option since the price is approaching expiry. But we cannot go deep into that. 11,150, 11,150, it's trading around traded around 105. If you see the strikes chart, you can see this. Maybe it can open somewhere below 80s. So you can go for selling this put option, expecting the price to move up, the Nifty to move up, and this put option can drop. So that's all we have. So if you want to be a seller, you can take advantage of the time decay, because there are times we cannot. There are times that the price will consolidate within this range and close somewhere here to make our position very difficult. Yesterday we saw a very blastic price action, and on day before yesterday's we had some sort of resistance. On the previous day the price very comfortably traded within this zone. So that as being a seller gives you certain advantage compared to the buyer when you approach a expiry. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our video. Happy trading, take care, bye.